Wow, this music is terrible. What's up, Jay Sherlock? You're a longtime fan. Appreciate you, man. I gotta do something about this music. Let's see here. There's gotta be something a little bit better than whatever. Everybody's heard this song. Man. Let's see here. What's up, Kevin? This trade setup was given in advance in the Discord. I'm not saying it would. I'm not saying it's gonna be no winner though. Yeah, okay. First music you liked? Okay. Yeah, this new music is too dopamine releasing. We gotta go back. We gotta go back to the original. Let's see here. Let's go back to the original. What's up, Karate? I don't know what's gonna happen here. I mean, is there a way I could show you the... There's probably a way I could, let's see, put this here and then put this guy up a little bit. Yeah, this would be what we want. I think that shows enough. Just do the not financial advice over the trade. That's a good idea, actually. Yeah, I mean, you're rejecting from this area. It's not, like, guys, it's not, this is definitely a riskier. I just decided to mess around with it a little bit, so be careful out there. Never financial advice. I might take profits a little early if we hit this area, actually lock in some profits early. You know, you got some trigger or blood diamonds or whatever down here, but yeah. Lux, yes, 28.9. Yeah, it's possible, absolutely. This market could give us more curveballs. I mean, I'm sure there's a lot of people trying to short right now. I don't think you would come that high. Like, if you want my opinion, like, to guess at this, I mean, I don't think you would come that high, but I do think that, yeah, that's definitely, I mean, anything's possible. I think it's more likely to mess around with the POC or something, but yeah. 10-minute does look kind of bullish. This isn't the, especially having a big winning trade earlier today, this is just not what you want to be. But yeah. But yeah. We'll see. I mean, trying to warm up, get you guys in. And there's a new exchange that I'm using here. Try FAIRDESK, try a new one. Give a new one a shot. You do have a reverse head and shoulders here. Let's see if we can do some TA here. Let me figure this out. Well, let's just do it on the traditional. But yeah, you do have the reverse head and shoulders forming on like the 1 minute. Yeah. That's a beautiful reverse head and shoulders, actually. Usually don't get that much prettier than this. Yeah, you're coming right back up. What's up, Crypto Grizzly? Palu Digital ID. No, I don't know much about that. I would have to look into it, but no, Ace, I don't know too much about that. But I mean, you're not supposed to be, on U.S. soil. Yeah. I mean, it's hard to say. I mean, funding fees are positive now, but I don't know if everybody's short. here's where, I mean, you got a pretty big jump off of this area. I mean, you don't know. It's hard to say right now. I mean, you could look at order books, you know, stuff of that nature. That 30-second looks pretty bullish. Yeah, it's coming up there. So, yeah. So, yeah, later at night. Yeah, I mean, you're hoping for some crumbs here potentially. You're hoping for some crumbs. That's it, man. You know, you got kind of, this looks good. Your Dixie looks kind of bullish. But in terms of the way Bitcoin moves, I mean, it could blow over. I think it will eventually, you know, especially with the daily. It's just, you know, between then and now, you know, what happens is, does this more degenerate risky play work out? I mean, maybe. Um, Definitely possible. Because you're hitting that point. I mean, you got the big jump off of there. Here, you're getting a rejection. Not as big of a rejection, so I would think it would be a little bit more powerful for the bulls at the moment. But I was looking at, to show you what I was looking at, kind of see these money flow crossovers, which did play out a bit so far, like on the 5, you know, on the 3, some of those. Is it low quality? Maybe the upload speed. No, it should be high, man. It should be, oh, hold on. No, it should be higher quality. Is that happening for everybody else? Anybody else here? Oh, damn, I think I figured out the issue. Yeah. Yeah, I think I know that. Oh, damn, because I had to change my settings. Hold on, I might be able to, it's probably gonna start a new stream if I, is anybody else having that issue, or is it just, I could check on my phone. Okay, let me turn off the stream and then turn it back on real quick, 2 seconds, to bring us up to better quality. I know what happened. I screwed up. Let me see if I could fix it. Unfortunately, I can't fix it without stopping the stream. I'll stop the stream and then I'll come right back on, guys. Give me 1 second. Okay, we're back. I don't know if that was enough where YouTube's gonna make me start a new stream or whatever, but that should have fixed the problem. Yeah, you seem to be, you might be able to break out of that 1 minute on the 1 minute reverse head and shoulders over here. So yeah, I think we're all right. I think we were able to come back. Yeah, okay. I think we were able to come back. Yeah, probably just cut out for a second. But yeah, this is probably gonna break out upward a bit. So yeah, been a little bit of a, so yeah, you dump down and then now you're starting to, I don't know, man. This is iffy. This is iffy. I mean, this is, I was just bored, figured do something and stream, but, you know, this is kind of iffy here. But yeah, what's up, Crypto Grizzly? Appreciate you, man. Yeah, we're pumping. We're head and shoulders. You're probably gonna come up a bit higher too in the short term. I don't know. Like trading right now is just too boring. You always learn that whenever you try to like that rejection. We'll see what happens here. Like this point, you know, messes around, dances around that area, and then now you're making a higher high. So yeah, 4 hour could look a little bit bullish coming up potentially. How about ETH, man? Let's see. Let's take a look at ETH here. ETH is, yeah, double blood diamonds on the 8 hour. That's confirmed double blood diamonds. It could be, yeah, it could just be a fluke. You know, come right up, who knows? But yeah, we've been dancing around. We've been playing around here a bit. Slow bleed, just ride the shorts. Okay, plan E, plan E. I like that. I like that idea. I like that idea, plan E. Just ride the shorts. Riding those shorts, man. I like that, plan E. I like that. Shout out to plan E. Ooh, ooh. So plan E, yeah, if it's anything like 2011, it's probably gonna dump. I mean, I'm not trying to sound Armageddon here, but if the S&P 500 dumps 20% like it did in 2011 when they raised the debt ceiling, how much could Bitcoin dump? I mean, it's possible it could dump double that, 40% or something, but I don't know if it would be that bad. I mean, you could be looking at 20K, if not lower. Which would the weekly would support this. A lot of time frames here would support this. I mean, the 2-week red dot coming pretty soon could support this. You know, we could be in for some stuff. You know, I'm curious what we are. I mean, we got the technical target down here, approximately 24 something out of the head and shoulders. Yeah, FAIRDESK. Yeah, if you guys want to sign up to FAIRDESK, by the way, down below. And trying to think here. Pretty good exchange. I mean, I'm just testing it out. Pretty good exchange. It's a new and up and coming exchange. Some cool people like it. I think I've seen some good people use it, and it kind of reminds me of FEMX a little bit. But so far so good. Fees are not going to be as low as MEXC, but you know, it is what it is. I'm trying to find new options where you don't need a VPN or KYC, and this is one of them. So, yeah. There's a hidden bullish div on the daily. Oh man, I gotta get out of this short right now. Most people think pump, really, plenty. I'm thinking most people are pretty bearish, honestly, but it doesn't really. It's hard to know what most people are. Like, I've had people tell me, yo, everybody's bearish, and I've had other people, everybody's more bullish. You know what I mean? Everybody doesn't even know what everybody is. Let's see. Higher crypto liquidity strategy. What do you think the volume of short is? Would be prudent for market makers to rip it up to liquidity? Yeah, I mean, of course. That's always a possibility. Higher crypto, sure. Yeah. Market makers love volatility, which is kind of how you wreck both sides. Just have a ton of volatility. I mean, but yeah, this looks like it'll. I mean, with my luck in terms of like, I've had probably the worst luck in terms of live streaming trades. Like, it's always like just the worst luck when I do. So it probably will pump based on the past history of me live streaming trades. But, you know, I mean, I would risk maybe $1,000 on this. So yeah, we can look at the daily and. So funding rates are positive. That's a good sign for the short. That obviously they do move around in different exchanges. But yeah, appreciate the follow. Market is dead right now. Yeah, well, yeah. What was it? There's a daily hidden bullish. Where are you looking at? Oh, I know what you're. This? Are you looking at this guy? Or is it this? No. Where are you seeing that daily hidden? I'm not sure about no daily. Where are you seeing a daily hidden? I don't know where you're seeing that, man. 2-day. That's not. I don't think that's. Oh. Yeah, that's. Oh, okay. Now I see where you're. Yeah, I've here to the. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, sometimes that could work out. I'm not the biggest fan of hidden bullish divs, but yeah, I mean, market makers see everybody short, and yeah, sure, anything's possible. You bring us up to new highs. Maybe that ceiling brings us up. I mean, anything's. Who the hell knows? It's all a game of probability. I don't think that's. I think the odds are higher that we would come down potentially, but yeah. This area. I'm changing the music. Gotta find something different. Yeah. Oh, I know what. Let's see if we can find copy. This could be. I'm not sure if this is copyright free, but oh. Stuff with Alan Watts is the bomb. That's, yeah, that 4 hour would be the main. Yeah, trigger wave, that shit could. Yeah. You might be back up to 28 potentially. Yeah, with the 4 hours. This is a tough one. I mean, you could argue you're forming a head and shoulders or something. I mean, bam, look at that.
place where it's at is simply here now.
This is the one, if you guys remember what Hex did in, what was it? What Hex did like in May of 21. I think it held up or even went up when everything else crashed, kind of. Um, I don't think it's going to happen. I think he released this too early. Um, I don't know why he did it now or whatever. I think it's a bit too early. Well, I mean February, yeah, that's when testnet or whatever. But this could go to zero. But if you like to gamble, it's for my gambling folks out there. Could be a shot. CryptoFace posted about it. But what I don't like is, I mean, this guy's not. This guy's not looking too promising here. So yeah. But yeah, we'll see what happens with this. I might just close it out and call it a night and go to bed. And we were a few $100s in profit, but it's pretty dead right now. Nothing's really happening. Hopefully we can roll over here, but it kind of looks like with this 1 minute, you'll get up a little bit higher here. Touch that area. That 10 minute looks pretty bullish here. I was hoping we'd come to this point. 50K. Yeah, man. 50K. 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 We're not too far. It's only a double from here. We're not too far. Not too far. Let's look at the S&P 500 for a second here. Just want to show you guys what happened in 2011 that would be a good thing to. Where's the? So if we went back to 20, I don't know, let's go on a 2 week, I guess, or something. We went back to that area. But 2011 was right. This is a profound like fall down. This was when they raised the debt ceiling. It was August was the big drop down too. That was like end of July. That's when they raised it. That was a pretty. I mean, look at that was 18%. It's almost 20%. If SPY drops 18%, let's draw this out here. That'd be to that low. You know, you're probably coming. Where was Bitcoin in September or October? I'm curious about. I forget the exact. It was 18 maybe. Let's see. 18, 19. You're probably back there at least if the SPY drops that much, which I think can happen here with the debt ceiling. Although, I mean, because it just shows a weakening of the American economy. But right now we're pumping on that news. So yeah. Right there. That area, yeah. NASDAQ double top. This thing has showed a lot of strength. Well, not like it showed a lot of this rally. That's the thing too. Like Jim Cramer's been saying, the NASDAQ cannot be stopped. Cannot be stopped. Amazon breaking out of the descending wedge, man. Wonder how much this could go for. About to get that trigger wave. This is going to be a big breaking point for a lot of this. I mean, does that play out, or does this trigger wave play out and bring us up? I mean, that's the big question here. Splitter size could potentially bring us down too. But yeah, that's the question. I mean, what potentially happens with that? What's happening with this guy? Come on. It's coming up there to get the bear div. It's probably gonna come, yeah. So I'd be down 200 or something here. I mean, that looks like the rejection area, 30-minute. It's conflicting. I mean, you're probably trend sideways for a little bit. I mean, even the blood diamond obviously is the is the bear point too. If you guys remember the blood diamonds and stuff like that. But yeah. The thing too is, like on ETH, we're getting close to the sweet spot, the sweet DCA opportunity area. We've been waiting a while for it, guys. I mean, we've been waiting. You know, we've been waiting since kind of these areas that I've been talking about to get down to the red here, and it's taken its damn time. But I think we're gonna get there pretty soon here. I mean, we almost got there here. Almost. We were so close in January. It just didn't quite make it. But now, with the VWAP coming down and the money flow coming out, now you're probably going to make it. You're probably finally going to come down here. We'll see what happens. Adam, sure. Let's take a quick look at this guy. Not too many new developments. We're still waiting on the 2-week to potentially give us something that confirms confirms in the red in 2 days there. I mean, that could be the start of your DCA opportunity, but I'd probably wait till at least ETH on the 12 days in the red, in my opinion. But if you're really trigger happy, I mean, if you must have Adam, the 2 days could be the start of the, DCA opportunity into January, February or something, potentially. This guy could hit 100 next bull run, I think. Yeah, reverse head and shoulders. Then you're kind of hitting your target though. Ooh, let's see something here. No, not quite yet, but it's around that area. So we'll see here. Boring market. Would I have been ADA? Yeah. Why not, man? Why not? I don't know. I mean, a 2-week, this continuation, red X. I mean, historically, these have always been pretty bearish. Every single one is giving you down. I mean, it's possible this one could be different, but this is probably the most comparable you'd see. That's a lower low. That's 14, 15 cents. Again, I don't know if it's going to go that low. If you, what level am I exiting the short? You could see the stop loss there. You should be able to, unless it's blocked out. I might give it to the 20, a little bit above 27. Might risk $1,000 on this, but probably shouldn't. Above this swing high potentially. They'll probably find a way, the market makers, to get it that high, especially with this 10-minute. Yeah, I think I'm gonna close this out. We'll look tomorrow morning again. I may wait till. I mean, it still could. It's conflicting right now. Like, it's hard to really. Like, this isn't the best market to trade at the moment. I had another short that's still in on my MEXC account from this morning. And another swing short too. So I have a lot of different accounts with stuff open. But yeah, I mean, this is probably like that 10-minute, 3-hour. I don't know about this. Wake up some blood plenty. Yeah, should I keep it in? Should I take it out? I mean, it's kind of like at break even right now, like not a big deal either way. But yeah. And if you guys want to try out FAIRDESK, there is a link below. I'll give you a free month of my exclusive Discord if you deposit at least $200. And FAIRDESK or MEXC will do. Either one of those for that promo. If I try out FAIRDESK, I don't know I haven't looked into it enough, like what the promo is for depositing. I could try to work something out with them to give you guys something nice. But yeah, Peppy AI. 4 or 5 a.m. Yeah, that's I don't know. Does anything open at that time? I don't know. But yeah, tough to kind of say right now. Nah, I don't want to. This is just too. I'm not waking up at no 4 a.m. I got better stuff to do than wake up at 4 a.m. You probably see some reaction off of this area potentially. Wish it could be more of excited. I was hoping to see a bit more of a drop down again. It does happen, Lux. Yeah, when you close a trade out of fear or doubt. It Oh man, what are we cutting out here?